Welcome to our channel, the fastest and easiest to learn Arabic.
مرحبا، اسمي بن. أهلا بك في درس اللغة العربية.
Hi, my name is Ben. Welcome to Arabic class. Do you want to speak Arabic from the first lesson? It is so easy, and it takes few minutes. Are you ready?
هل أنت جاهز؟ هيا نبدأ.
Let's start. Today you are going to learn how to ask a question in Arabic and get answer with yes or no, like you say in English. Are you a student or is this a book? To make an Arabic question and get positive answer or negative answer, you will ask using the word
هل.
Let's see some examples.
هل أنت علي؟
نعم، أنا علي. هل أنت فاطمة؟
لا، أنا مريم.
هل هذا كتاب؟
نعم، هذا كتاب.
هل هذه طائرة؟
لا، هذه سيارة.
Class is over. Thanks for watching.
أشوفك بكرة.